Ever been interested in learning Korean? If so, let's start with the basic Korean greetings and phrases. Learn how to say, hi, thank you, happy birthday, good morning, and good night in the Korean language complete. With the transliteration of the Korean characters to help you speak Korean like a native. It will surely surprise your Korean friends and will be much appreciated by any native speaker. Hi, or hello, in Korean, 안녕, 안녕. Thank you, in Korean, 감사합니다, 감사합니다. This is a formal yet all-around way to offer your gratitude. South Korea holds courtesy in high regard, so you'll definitely want to learn this one to express gratitude and respect. You're welcome, in Korean, chamanayo, chamanayo. It's not often that Koreans respond to a thank you with you're welcome, but if you want to show extra politeness, then you can throw in this phrase. Normally, a simple and humble 안입니다, 안입니다 suffices, meaning, it's nothing. Goodbye. In Korean, 안녕, 안녕, 안녕히 가세요, 안녕히 계세요, 안녕히 가세요, 안녕히 가세요. There are multiple ways to say goodbye in Korean. 안녕 is used for informal situations with friends and family, for example. Korean differentiates between saying goodbye before you are about to leave a situation and when the other person leaves. The former is 안녕히 가세요, literally translating to please stay well, and the latter, 안녕히 가세요, literally translating to please leave well, good night. In Korean, 잘 자요, 잘 자요, happy birthday. In Korean, 생일 축하해요, 생일 축하해요, I'm sorry. In Korean, 미안해요, 미안해요. Excuse me. In Korean, 실례합니다, 실례합니다. 잠시만요, 잠시만요. 실례합니다 is a great phrase to use in those situations where you'd like to politely get someone's attention. 잠시만요 literally translates to wait a moment, however, it can be used when accidentally brushing past someone. I love you. In Korean, 사랑해요, 사랑해요. I miss you. In Korean, 보고 싶어요, 보고 싶어요. Good luck. Go for it. In Korean, waiting, waiting. Let's learn how to express your feelings in Korean language. Cute. In Korean, 귀여워요, 귀여워요. Handsome, good-looking, cool. In Korean, 미어지세요, I'm tired. In Korean, speaking to close friends or family, a pigenhai. I'm sleepy. In Korean, speaking to close friends or family, jallyo, jallyo. South Korea is a food lover's paradise. On every street, you'll be sure to find places selling everything from traditional Korean meals to delicious Korean street food. I'm hungry. In Korean, speaking to friends or family, 배고파, 배고파. I will eat well. In Korean, a phrase used to thank someone for a meal. Before eating, 잘 먹겠습니다, 잘 먹겠습니다. It's tasty. In Korean, 이거 맛있어요, 이거 맛있어요. Thanks for the meal. In Korean, 잘 먹었습니다, 잘 먹었습니다. Although many languages have different ways to say something in formal and informal settings, Korean actually has 7 different levels of formality. This means 7 different ways to say hello, each based on who you're talking to, their level of status, and the situation at hand. But don't worry, you won't have to memorize them all. Most of the levels of formality are outdated, and today, 3 primary ones are used: casual, or informal, standard, or polite, and formal, or honorific. What is casual, informal Korean speech? Casual or informal Korean is used when talking to anyone younger than you, anyone with a lower level of seniority, and amongst friends and family. And now we'll learn what is standard, polite Korean speech. Standard or polite Korean is used when talking to acquaintances or in neutral social standings, age situations. When talking to people you don't know well, when introducing yourself. Anyone older or with a higher level of seniority. Korean used formal or honorific Korean. Another option for greetings in Korean formal situations is using a bow. Typically speaking, the lower you bow, the more respect you show the receiving party. Of course, there are also different variations in when to bow, how you bow, and how low to bow in each situation. Casual bows can be used to greet friends or those of similar social standing. However, they're also used in situations that don't allow for deeper bows, such as when you're in crowded areas. A respectful bow is the most commonly used type and requires a 30 to 45 degree angle. A 90-degree bow is used as a form of respect but can also show obedience or service to another. Finally, big bows, when you're literally squatting close to the ground, are used on special occasions. Most commonly, these are reserved for weddings or funerals, some holidays, and when someone wants to show extreme gratitude or remorse. These basic Korean greetings and phrase and understanding of their greeting speeches are easy to learn and will help you to speak fluently. You need some practice and concentration. If you liked the video, learned something or wanted to learn something in specific, let me know in the comment section. I'll catch you in the next video with some more interesting informative videos. Till then, take care, bye.